Here are the best things to do in Interlaken, Switzerland. Number 15. Hardakum Viewpoint. Hardakum Viewpoint is an absolute gem for adventurers and nature lovers. Once you reach the top, you'll be treated to awe-inspiring scenery that will leave you breathless. The panoramic views are simply unparalleled, showcasing the beauty of Eiga Munch, Jungfrau, Lake Thun, and Lake Brienz in all their glory. The journey to the summit is equally enchanting. Hop on the Hardakum funicular and you'll be treated to a unique and exhilarating bird's-eye view of Interlaken and its enchanting twin lakes. At the summit, indulge in a memorable dining experience at the Art Nouveau-style panorama restaurant where you'll get to enjoy the majestic mountain scenery of the Jungfrau region as you savor your delicious meal. Number 14. Schöniga Platte Trails. Go on an unforgettable journey through the Schöniga Platte Trails where nature's opulence awaits you. The appeal of this destination lies in its untouched beauty, offering a luxurious escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. No matter your hiking style, you will find something perfect for you here. Choose the Dauba hike for a leisurely stroll, treating yourself to striking views along the way, all within a short hour's journey. If you crave more adventure, follow the panoramic trail to discover majestic alpine lakes and charming mountain huts nestled amidst picturesque snow-covered pathways. Number 13. Staubbach and Tumebach Waterfalls. If you are up for an adventure filled with natural wonders, look no further than Lauterbrunnen's captivating waterfalls. Lauterbrunnen's valley boasts an impressive collection of 72 astonishing waterfalls, giving you more attractions to explore. The star attraction, Staubbach Falls, will take your breath away as it plunges dramatically from a majestic 97 feet high cliff. Its exceptional beauty has made it an iconic symbol of Lauterbrunnen. Also, don't miss the chance to explore Tumebach Falls, Europe's largest accessible subterranean falls. Witness the raw power of water as it gushes underground, creating a perfect spectacle. As you explore further, wander through flat trails to enjoy picturesque views of nearby villages. Number 12. Unterseen. Take a trip to Unterseen, the lovely suburb of Interlaken, and absorb its irresistible appeal. The place will captivate you with its idyllic charm and a plethora of appealing experiences. Discover the Marktbrunnen, an ancient market square boasting a rustic tower from a 13th century church, along with a transformed Stadthaus, now a delectable restaurant with a storied past as an inn for cattle drivers in the 15th century. Engage with history at the square's tourist museum, which vividly illustrates the growth of tourism in Interlaken from the 18th century onwards. Meander through picturesque streets lined with traditional chalets flaunting their gripping, exaggerated eaves, offering a glimpse into authentic Swiss living. Number 11. Cruise on Lake Thun and Lake Brienz. Cruising on Lake Thun and Lake Brienz is an experience you absolutely shouldn't miss. These boat tours offer a jaw-dropping way to witness the sheer beauty of the region. You can explore both lakes in just one day. The boats conveniently connect them, making it super easy to hop from one stunning lake to the other. On Lake Thun, you'll enjoy a leisurely 2-hour cruise from Interlaken to Thun, giving you plenty of time to relax and soak in the surroundings. Also, ensure you don't miss the chance to set sail on Lake Brienz, where you'll be mesmerized by its turquoise waters and mountains hugging the shoreline. Number 10. Unspunnen and Oberhofen Castles. Spend time at Unspunnen Castle and Oberhofen Castle during your visit and experience the allure of these historical sites. With its origins tracing back to the 12th century, Unspunnen Castle stands majestically, offering adorable vistas of the surrounding city. The castle also serves as the venue for the famous Unspunnenfest, a celebration deeply rooted in traditional Swiss culture. As you wander along the shores of Lake Thun, the captivating Oberhofen Castle, erected in the 13th century, unfolds its intriguing history before your eyes. The castle's museum beckons with a treasure trove of antiquities and artifacts from bygone eras, inviting you to uncover the wonders of the past. Number 9. St. Beatus Cave and Waterfalls. For an exhilarating adventure, visit the St. Beatus Caves and Waterfalls, a hidden gem nestled within the engrossing Swiss Alps. Brace yourself for an experience that will leave you in awe. The illuminated paths will guide you deeper into the mystical world, revealing nature's artistry at its peak. Marvel at the beautiful shapes and colors that have been sculpted over centuries by the relentless force of water erosion. The sheer grandeur of these formations will ignite your imagination and leave you in complete wonder. As you traverse through the caves, don't miss the entrancing waterfalls that cascade gracefully, creating a soothing symphony that resonates with nature's harmonious melody. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Interlaken experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 8. Interlaken Monastery and Castle. Welcome to the Interlaken Monastery and Castle, a timeless destination that promises an enchanting experience for all who visit. This former double monastery of the Augustinian order exudes an irresistible charm that lures visitors from all corners of the globe. Once you step foot on the castle grounds, you'll be awestruck by the magnificent architecture that surrounds you. The 14th century bell tower stands tall as a testament to the enduring beauty of the past, while the Gothic cloister unveils intricate details that spark wonder. Envelop yourself in the serene ambience of this sacred haven where every corner whispers stories of a distant era. Number 7. Huamata Park and the Huaveg Street. To fully experience the best of Interlaken's scenic beauty and local charm, visit Huamata Park and the iconic Huaveg Street. Huamata Park treats you to sweeping wide views of the majestic Alps mountains, making it an ideal spot for a leisurely picnic or a serene stroll amidst nature's splendor. The park's tranquility will envelop you, leaving you feeling rejuvenated and at peace. For a touch of retail therapy and delectable dining experiences, Huaveg Street beckons with its array of local shops, trendy boutiques, and delightful restaurants. As you meander along the bustling street, don't forget to look up at the sky where paragliders gracefully soar, creating a fantastic spectacle that truly captures the spirit of Interlaken. Number 6. Jungfrau. As a part of your Interlaken adventure, make sure to ride the cogwheel railway up to Jungfrau. Known as the top of Europe, this mountain railway offers a delightful journey through the Bernese Oberland and into the heart of the Swiss Alps. The views are simply appealing, with alpine landscapes and energetic towns like Grindelwald passing before your eyes. The train ride itself is an adventure, taking you through steep slopes and impressive engineering, elevating you to a staggering 11,300 feet above sea level. Once you reach Jungfrau, prepare to be mesmerized by unbroken views from the viewpoint, providing you with a 360-degree visual treat of the Interlaken below. Number 5. Extreme sports in Interlaken. Although Interlaken offers many incredible attractions, the city also offers a range of extreme sports and other heart-pumping activities that will leave you exhilarated and awestruck. You can try paragliding, which allows you to experience a bird's-eye view of the majestic snow-capped mountains, lush green valleys, and glistening lakes. The sensation of soaring through the alpine beauty is nothing short of extraordinary. For daring souls, bungee jumping promises an unforgettable adventure amidst attractive scenery. The heart-pounding leap is an ultimate test of courage and provides an unbelievable view of the world below. And if you crave an even more daring challenge, skydiving from this picturesque landscape is an unparalleled thrill. Number 4. Schitthorn Mountain and Niederhohen Peak. While there are different attractions promising excellent sightseeing opportunities in this region, the experience at Schitthorn Mountain and Niederhohen Peak is out of the ordinary. Summiting these iconic peaks will grant you access to breathtaking views that will leave you spellbound. At the summit of Schitthorn Mountain, the hiking trails will take you through absorbing alpine beauty and provide close-up views of the famous Eiger, Munch, and Jungfrau peaks. On Niederhohen Peak, prepare to be entranced by its vistas overlooking Lake Thun and picturesque mountain ranges. The serenity and grandeur of the scenery will capture your heart. Number 3. Interlaken Museum of Tourism. Venture into the Interlaken Museum of Tourism, the very first museum in Switzerland dedicated solely to tourism. Nestled in the idyllic Jungfrau region, a place shaped by the transformative power of tourism, this museum showcases the profound cultural significance of exploring this enchanting area. Within its walls, you'll encounter splendid exhibits spread across 3 expansive floors boasting a massive collection of historical artifacts. Also, you'll love to see magnificent paintings, delicate ceramics, exquisite costumes, and lavish furniture, each holding a story that offers unique insights into the evolution and proliferation of tourism in this extraordinary land. Number 2. Grindelwald. Grindelwald offers almost everything that will leave you spellbound. This scenic village is a haven of inviting scenery and a tranquil ambience, inviting you to indulge in its charming chalets and traditional Swiss houses lining the quaint streets. For those with an adventurous spirit, Grindelwald has thrilling activities like tandem paragliding, offering a chance to soar above the impressive landscapes. The highlight of your visit should be the Jungfrau mountain tour from Grindelwald, providing an exciting experience at the top of Europe. Here, you'll be surrounded by unique beauty and majestic panoramas, creating memories to last a lifetime. Number 1. Brinza-Rothorn Railway. Don't leave Interlaken without riding the historic Brinza-Rothorn Railway. This steam train, operating for 128 years, offers a scenic journey through majestic Swiss mountains. The train also takes you through enchanting forests and grassy areas, allowing you to enjoy beautiful views of the central Swiss Alps. As you ascend to the summit, you'll love the panorama of snow-capped peaks and crystal-clear lakes that unfold before you. On a clear day, you might even catch a glimpse of other iconic mountains in the distance, further enhancing the splendid experience. Moreover, the Brinza-Rothorn region itself offers a plethora of hiking opportunities, catering to both leisurely strollers and avid adventurers. Click here for more things to do in Switzerland.